How to connect Roblox Studio to external code editors. So guys, you need to download and install Visual Studio Code. So open up Google, type in Visual Studio Code, and download this. Open your project terminal window inside the local directory folder and run a global initialization script command, which is rojo init. And this auto-generates your directory tree structure along with a master default.project.json file, mapping the matrix that translates your file system paths clearly to Roblox's data model structure. Then just run the rojo or rojo serve inside your local terminal to open a resource, to open a secure background connection portal on your machine. Boot up your place file inside the Roblox Studio, open the Create a Marketplace tab, search for the official Rojo 7 plugin, and add it to your environment. Then launch this Rojo plugin from your top ribbon menu panel, verify the address port, and click Connect. So ditching the default script box for a modern industry standard IDE gives you access to professional code refactoring extensions and flawless repository backups. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and if this helps, like and subscribe.